For example, I called blue. Yarn. Yellow. Red. You can't jump like that, ha? My gosh. That's eliminated. Okay, ready? 3 winners lang, ha?
Paano pala ganito lang yung tanong?
Hindi pwede dito.
Dito.
Gamit natin ng konti. For the senior citizens.
Timing lang yan, kakakain lang nila.
Kakain ulit si Ma'am Evelyn.
Ready? Alright, sige. Ganito na lang. I will be needing 3 people so that you will be able to see the colors. Para hindi nasa floor. So yung move backwards po. Pag ano, volunteer lang, ang bilis na niyo pag-game ang tagal. Basic step. Blue, yellow, red, blue, yellow, red.
Walang hirap na mahaba! Ay, grabe
Malalaman natin maya-maya kung anong mga kinain nyo.
Yang, gusto mo ako na lang sa'yo siya. Yang, sab na lang ako. Tutulungan kita.
Oo, yan.
Okay, the judges will stay in front and at the back. I
Makita
will be judging you guys as a judgmental person.
Subscribe mo, ma'am.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Yellow! You have to jump, guys. Yellow! Yan, ganyan. Let's go. Let's kumain na tayo. Wala pa rin energy. Yellow! Yellow! Red! Red! Yellow! Blue! Red! Ayaw magpapalo, ha? Yellow! Red! Yellow! Red! Blue!
Grace?
Konti lang kasi yung jump ni Ma'am Grace.
Okay, sorry.
I think we need to extend the people. Para medyo malayo.
Ma'am Grace, konti lang yung jump niya. Padalo pa siya.
Oo, kasi nga baka magamit yung health card nila mamaya.
Okay, game.
200.
Red! Blue! Red! Okay, Ma'am Grace! I can see you!
Ma'am Grace, chocolate lang yan.
Price naman! Okay, guys, next! Red! Red! Blue! Yellow!
Medyo ano na.
Yellow! Red! Blue!
Muntik na idamay si Ma'am June.
I can say that the toast of Ma'am June is very strong. Oh my God. Okay, game. Red! Blue! Yellow! Blue! Okay, Aiden! I can see you.
Okay, sige na.
Competitive ka, Aaron. Blue! Blue! Yellow! Yellow! Blue! Yellow! Blue! Okay, Ma'am June, I can see you. How many man standing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Blue! Red! Blue! Yellow! Red! Blue! Yellow! Red! Blue! Yellow! Blue! so happy, nakaganti rin ako kay Aaron. Kasi last time, ako yung una niyong binato sa dodgeball. Hindi na ako nakapaglaro. Sorry. Tatlo na lang? Okay,